Dear students, this lecture of mine is for PhD students who are currently enrolled in PhD and taking their PhD course for classes. Though separately I will teach this particular topic through either WebEx or Google Meet, but some of the students they made a request that, sir, if you can also give a lecture which can be stored and streamed through YouTube, then we can, on our own convenience, we can listen that lecture and we can listen that lecture often. So, I would like to refresh your memory that in the first 2 or 3 classes I have taught you, I have discussed with you regarding research methodology, what research methodology is. Then the actual topic is structure and components of research writing. So, I have taken introduction, that what you are required, what you are supposed to write in introduction. Then in the next lecture of mine, I have discussed with you review of related literature. Today in this lecture, I will discuss with you regarding methodology. You know, there are different types of methodology. Normally science students they go for experimental methods which is done in the laboratories, and in social sciences usually people are opting for, they go for survey method. But you know that survey is also questionnaire based, then interviews are also conducted, then observation method is also there. So, when you are going to write methodology, you will briefly describe different kinds of methodology, then which methodology you have opted, which methodology you have selected for your current research activity, for your current research endeavor. So, you will also in the beginning you will describe that method, and you will also briefly discuss which author have propagated, which those who are considered authority in that particular method. Here I would like to tell you, my students, please do consult Social Methods in Research. This is the name of the book. Title of the book is Social Methods in Research by Gooden Hart. This is very good book. I cannot tell you, you see the thousands of people, those who have later on worked on research methodology, perhaps you will not come across any single author who has not cited this particular book. Then as far as librarianship is concerned, Buchanan Harter book is also very good. I have told you the title of that particular book. Then as far as Indian author is concerned, Kishan Kumar has also written. Kishan Kumar, who is well known personality in library science, who was professor in UU, he has also written very good book on research methods in librarianship. Now that title you can check, but that is on research methodology. So, in the beginning you will mention that who author have inspired you for this particular method. Then say for instance you have selected questionnaire method. So, you you will mention the positive point, merits of the questionnaire method. Then some shortcomings are also involved in that. You will also mention, and those shortcomings, how you have overcome those shortcomings of questionnaire method. Say for instance, you have conducted interview also, then you can mention that particular method also. And if you have observation method, if you have used that particular method, you can also mention. The crux point is that among the different research methodologies, which methodology you have selected for the present research endeavor, present research work. This is the crux of that. So, you need to mention that particular method, and then also why you have selected that research methodology, that research method. During the lecture of mine, I have mentioned three important books. My dear students, time and again I told you that you need to read more and more, because if you read more, you will be able to write very good. So, the things which I am going to tell you, this is not only for research report writing, rather this particular research methodology or methodology you will also require to write when you are going to write any research article. You are PhD students, you are going through lots of literature, you must have never come across any article where normally you see where author has not mentioned research methodology. So, this was all about research methodology. As you know that in regular class of mine, I will take up this particular topic again, and along with some other points also. So, you please mention, write your comments, and as far as audio is concerned, you do write whether you are able to listen it properly, hear it properly, or the voice was audible or not. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best, and meet you again. Thank you so much.